What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Like I told you guys from the last video, if you saw it, if you didn't, come back and see it. I'll try to, the weather's getting a little better here, so I'm gonna try to record it a little bit more, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Today should be an interesting one. So we're getting close to like the final product, so here's what we're doing today. So we got a new bumper. Well, it's not new anymore, but yeah. And with that, I've been looking for some freaking fenders for this car, because this one's, well, they got this hole here, got a bunch of imperfections, and the biggest one of all is this one right here. Because I feel like this latches or whatever you want to call it, with time they get all effed up. So that's what happened on this side. Over here it's good. I mean, it's effed up a little bit, but still. But yeah, look at this and this hole. So that's a no anymore. So I was looking online for a while on eBay, not eBay, but like Google, whatever, not to get some other ones, and they were like 200 and something for both of them. Not OEM, obviously, but and I just kept waiting and waiting and waiting. Then I went online to the Facebook Marketplace. What do you know? I found the same ones I was looking for, but 10 minutes away. And then I got the guy gave me this with it too. So we will be doing that today. Hopefully it'll go smooth, and we line this fuckers up good. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get to taking all this shit off. Wish me luck. Alright, so we got the hood out. Did this here somewhere. Well, we're gonna have to take it out. Then we got take this here. Got this one here. Probably have to take this shit off too, from the headlight. So this should be fun. Alright, so we got this guys here. They're Phillips all around. Hold on. Oh, they're all over the side here. So I'm just gonna take all of those out and keep it going. Try to show you guys as much as I can. Alright, so we are down here. Here's the side skirt. Remember, took the little flap out here. Shit nasty as hell. There was one here, another one here, and like two on the bottom. Here. And then we got this guy here. It's a 10 mil. We gotta take out to be able to pull this shit out and get, I think it has like 2 bolts in here, so yeah. Alright, so here, took this plastic out to be able to get to this one here. And I gotta take this guy here out too. Already took the one out here, that, and probably those 2 big ones, and the inside one. Alright, well that's out. Got some rust right there, that's lovely. Yeah, wasn't too bad. On the inside you just take this out. Well, loosen this bolt right here, and it should just come out. Now we'll just put the other one in there. Hopefully it'll line up nice. Hopefully. And move on. So I may or may not have finished the whole thing. I recorded it, but couldn't wait. So we're gonna put everything. There's 2 bolts here. Got them done. This is all good. Change this thing. Okay. New. And it open and closes without a problem. Which was my biggest concern. But, I mean, it's a little wider up here than the bottom, but it doesn't touch, so, and it's pretty lined up here. So, I left this out. I will put it back hopefully once I find somebody that can paint it. And so I'll leave that off for now. that's it for this side, boys. Get the other side going and see, show you guys how it goes. Alright, so it is all put back together. For the most part, I still have to put the hood on there. It's good. Here's a little gap, whatever, but doesn't really bother me. It opens and closes nice. Oh, not. It's cool. Then you got new latches. So now put the hood back together, and hopefully it'll clear how it should. Wish me luck on this fucking shit. Alright guys, this is all she wrote. So I took these things off because they were actually gonna F me up. They're actually the reason why I needed new, part of why I needed new ones. They were messing this up right here. So the spacing, it's actually not that great, but it's not touching. So that's what matters to me the most. It was starting to touch over here, so you can see right there. So I decided to take them off, and now they open like no problem. Don't look as cool with that, but fuck it, they're good. See, and we go. I don't think we have anything. Oh, well, soon. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. Wasn't too bad, too hard or anything. Now I just need a final shot to paint this puppy and do a couple more stuff to it. So, yep. No, it wasn't all that exciting or whatever, not, but something. I'll try to bring you guys some more content coming soon. So make sure you grab some merch. Description in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.